It's a lovely evening and we are expecting to have a cracker of a match here. It's a hard pitch. The batsman would be wary of the extra bounce. However, once they settle down, the ball will come nicely onto the bat. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Muscle, a magnificent shot for four. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. That's gone high. Spectacular catch. Perfectly timed his jump and made sure he held on to that one. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. That was a stunning shot. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. That's high in the air. He'd be disappointed with himself there. That looks close. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. The batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. In the air. Got him. That's a loose shot by the batsman. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. Well, you can sense something is going to happen here. The bowler not allowing the batsman to free his arms. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. Last ball coming up. No, that's lovely timing. The ball racing to the boundary. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. The batting team is managing a good run rate, that's for sure. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a 2 if they run well. Well played, covering the line of the ball. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Good shot for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. He's not going to miss out on those. Turned away for a single. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Bullseye. What a throw, flat and fast. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Good fielding, saving crucial runs for his team. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. That's gone high. Taken by the fielder, good catch. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Last ball coming up. Turned away for a single. Not acceptable. This is just not right. Basic misfield like this can really cost them a lot. They put a good all-round performance today. Bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory. Congratulations on the brilliant performance. We must know what was the plan for today's match.
Everything seemed to go in my favor today, and I'm very happy with the way I performed out there.